To edit a GoDaddy website with WordPress, follow these steps. Log into GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Go to the My Products section to find your website or hosting plan. Set up WordPress. If you haven't installed WordPress yet, go to your hosting dashboard and find the WordPress option under Website or Hosting. Click Install and follow the prompts to set up WordPress on your domain. Access your WordPress dashboard. After installation, you can access your WordPress dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Log in using the username and password you set during the WordPress installation process. Choose a theme. Once logged in, go to Appearance Themes to select a theme for your site. You can either use a pre-installed theme or install a new one from the WordPress theme library. Edit content. To edit your website, go to Pages or Posts in the WordPress dashboard and select the page or post you want to edit. Use the built-in WordPress editor to add text, images, and other elements. Publish changes. After editing, click the Update or Publish button to save and make your changes live on the website.